Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries, guys. My name's Jonathan. That's Lily Pad. She's our office manager for the RV park. And that's Krista.
Hi.
And then there's baby Miles. He's down for the count. Today we're gonna go explore outside of Tremonton, and it's about an hour drive. And the place I was just showing you guys, that's where they build all the rockets for NASA. And our buddy Jimbo, he worked there forever and ever. Some say since before they even opened.
Do they build the rockets, or I thought they mix the rocket fuel?
Oh, they make everything there, the whole 9 yards.
Oh, because I know they do the testing and stuff, so you can actually come out and watch testing if you get invited, which is pretty cool. Jimbo said that that's like a whole ordeal. No, it's farther down, because remember it like loops around over to ATK, and then we go to Golden Spike.
Oh.
See?
Anyways, we're gonna go check out this place called the Spiral Jetty. Me and Krista have been there a long time ago. Actually, fun fact, the very first ride we ever did in our very first car, the Turbo S, was to where we're going, which is kind of cool. So we're going there again because we wanted to catch the sunset and we wanted to show you guys this cool spot. And it's actually on the northernmost part of the Salt Lake.
Coyote.
Yeah, there's coyotes that are on the road everywhere. Screw those things, guys. They have no reason to live. They just destroy. But if you see right there, guys, you see those big missiles and all that other stuff. Those are all rocket motors that were part of the NASA program, and you can go and tour that. It's called the Rocket Garden. So anyways, that place is really cool, guys. Chris and I went in there, but it tells you like all the history of the rocket motors that they've built, or engines or thrusters or whatever they're called. So if you're gonna go to the Spiral Jetty, check that place out. It's pretty cool. And then I'll show you the next place.
All right, hello guys. I'm gonna take over from here. We're going around a little curve.
We're going off-road.
Woo! And where are we headed to now? Golden Spike?
We're gonna pass by.
So we're gonna pass by Golden Spike National Historic Park. So we've got quite a few things that you can do all out in this area. So you can totally make it like a day activity list. So Golden Spike is the National Transcontinental Railroad meeting point, and they do reenactments. They bring the train, the what are they called? The engines, the main train, the steam locomotives out and like do a whole like reenactment and stuff. It's pretty cool. So they do those at certain times. You can just find that on their the like national park website. I'll find a link and I'll drop it in the comments. And then yeah, so it's pretty cool. So we're coming up Golden Spike National Historic Park. When we moved out here, it was actually still a National Historic Site, and then a few years after we moved here, they turned it into a historic park, which is pretty cool. So that's like a big deal. So we're
there it goes.
There it goes, and here is the visitor center. And we've never actually been in the visitor center, but word has it there is a pressed penny machine in here.
It's so cool.
Is it really?
Yes, yeah, I've been inside. They have like a lot of plaques and cool little displays in there about it, and I have a pressed penny.
Do you really? Yeah. I love that. That's awesome. So one day we need to go inside so we can get a pressed penny before they get rid of it, because I feel like they're harder to find. So yeah, so right over there, back there behind the building, the sun was kind of blinding it. That is where they bring the trains out and do a whole spiel. So the next stop will be our final destination. Why would you put that on camera? Give her some privacy.
I didn't realize that cows peed like a waterfall. I don't know if I caught that on camera. That sucker had a full-on waterfall coming out from his rear end.
She's just trying to do her business.
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah, that was great.
No couth there. You just.
I mean, that thing is the way that it was peeing in front of us in public.
I mean, we're in
her home.
Yeah.
Are we?
Yeah, look on their right side. There's no fence.
Toss the bags in the back of the Jeep. Snacks and crayons on the front seat floor. Maps folded, but we won't need it. We've been ready for this for years or more. You lean over, turn the station.
They've graded this road a whole lot better, guys. Like the first time we came out here, it was definitely not as graded. Although we
I
did
would always
get,
tell people they should definitely do 4x4.
but this section is it's a little rougher than the road we were just on because we were going like 55 on it. But now, I don't know. It's pretty out here though, guys. I recommend coming out here during sunset.
Just watch for cows.
Yeah, there's like 50 cows we've almost hit.
The headline says, oh, what tomorrow might do if it's us in that dusty old Jeep together. Every road feels brand new. Pull off where the pavement runs out, red dirt kicking up behind. You set up a blanket by the roadside fence. They chase bubbles in the fading light. Warm juice boxes, crooked selfies. You've got mustard on your sleeve. We trade stories over paper plates. Funny how we've got all.
After the fact, I saw it was like tiny. They're tiny little signs, so you just gotta pay attention. There's more cows up ahead, so please be careful. Oh, baby boo cow! Oh, there's some lambs.
Care where the signal goes or what we're driving through. If it's us in that dusty old Jeep together, every sky turns that blue. Someday they'll grow, want different towns, different dreams, different streets. But tonight they're sleeping, shoes still on, soft breaths tangled in the backseat. You catch my eyes in the rearview glass, say, can you believe this life? No postcard could ever frame it right. Just this messy magic drive, middle of nowhere. Looks like everything with our whole world in this view. Perfect.
Okay, you guys, we've officially hit the very bump. We hit a bump. Okay, like this stuff is super chattery. So definitely like something a little more.
It's sad though. That's all dried up Salt Lake. Like it used to be a lake. Now the water's way out
Yeah,
there.
it's far out there. It's crazy.
I used to all
It was
was
really pretty though. It was. Yeah, because you would be able to see those mountains reflecting off the water and everything. Because it's really pretty once it. Yeah.
I wanted to come.
Guys, look at this view. Look at that. What's that? It's magnificent. Look
Really
at that
is
sky. Yeah. Even through a bug splattered window. Look at that.
But there's a Salt Lake right there.
Yeah.
It's definitely cinematic, that's
It
for
is
sure.
cinematic, yeah. I don't know if you can see it from up here, but there's the spiral jetty right there. So we'll go down and look at it. Look at all these rocks. I bet these are the rocks that he drug out there.
They're volcano rocks.
Volcanic rock. Look at that. Bam.
That's a sunset.
Okay, you guys, we're gonna figure out. I don't remember how to walk down there. I guess we could just walk. See, Daddy's gonna put the drone up, huh, Miles? Yeah, we're gonna walk down some rocks. It's kind of sketchy. Oh my gosh. Do you wanna walk down this path? Look at us, we're doing our hike. We're doing a hiking. Okay, I think I need two hands. Yeah.
We're going this
Let's
way.
go this way. Oh no, maybe that wasn't the right way. Oh no.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, okay. So, the path to get down is not very friendly. So definitely be prepared for some navigating of rocks and narrow spaces.
Here we go. We can do this part.
There we go. Now we got stairs. Okay. I think maybe we just came down at the wrong spot. Good job, Miles.
Whoa, this way. There's a path.
Follow the path.
Yeah, that's a choice.
You got it? Woo! There you go. Be careful. It's slippery. You did it. Good job. Oh, sorry. Here, let's let them go past us. We made it a little closer. There's the sunset now. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh no, baby.
You got it?
You good?
Right on that Band-Aid.
Oh, careful. You did it? Hey, careful. Oh my gosh. Okay. You okay? Oh my goodness.
Get some sand in there.
You okay? Careful. You're gonna fall on these. They're gonna bust your head open. We're just gonna swing you so we can go where we need to go. Wee! Okay, you guys, so over here, so there's the point, there's our Jeep up there, and then you walk all the way down here, and then you've got the spiral jetty little walkway path. All those boulders, all those lava boulders. Is that pretty cool, Miles? Your little face is getting red, babe. It's gonna get dark soon too. So, yeah, guys, this is the spiral jetty. So a whole day's worth of fun things, like especially if you like just getting outside, history, and some cool, random, useless information about Tremont and the surrounding area. You can come out, you can come stay. We've got more to show you. There's more cool places to see up here too. So, yeah, look at that sunset. Look at Miles and Lily.
I said, you got it? He goes, yeah.
Yeah.
Falls.
Oh, you didn't have it, did you? You didn't have it.
I did.
Oh my goodness. Good job, baby. Good job. There we go. Now you're officially within the spiral.
Mama's head.
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Oh. Here we go. Say hi. Say I had a fun time going to the spiral jetty. I know. So we're watching Sea Boys and their knife competition. Yeah.